All right, guys, it's time to go shopping again, and this time we're going to Kirkland's. Hi, guys, this is me, Darkberry32, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do shopping, cleaning, cooking, home decor, fashion, DIYs, and if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But let's get into the shopping, honey. All right, so I went into Kirkland's and started looking at their fall decor, and it was very empty in there. And I think it's kind of good that I went during the week. One of the ladies informed me that Kirkland's gets their new inventory in on Thursday night. So then on Friday morning, she said it is packed. So that's just a little FYI if you guys want to know, like, when do they actually get all their stuff in. It's Thursday night. So we got this pillow here that says thankful, and it was like 30 bucks. Now I'm gonna say this, as you guys know, I do like to shop on a budget. Okay, so that pillow that says fall sweet fall is $25. Kirkland's can be a little on the pricier side, so I suggest that you maybe sign up for their emails. That way you can get coupons and things of that nature. Also, I found that when I sign up for them, they send you like $5 for your birthday, which is kind of good, especially like for me, like I love to go to the clearance section and stuff like that. um but yeah, check out, signing up for things. I always sign up for things. As a matter of fact, my daughter knows that. She'll go into certain stores. This truck was cute, $55. She will go into certain stores and give them my phone number because she knows more than likely I've signed up for something. These pumpkins were cute with your initials, like if you have your family last name, they were $35. Also look for the sale tags in the store to save yourself a little bit of money. And in conjunction with like the coupons that they send you, you may want to do that as well. So yeah, this thankful sign was very, very light, but it was 40 bucks. And I mean, I would be kind of afraid to put it on my front porch. I probably would put it inside my house somewhere because I can just see that thing just falling down over every little slight wind. It was really, really like, this was cute. I think it said the grace with attitude or something like that, or attitude. I'm sorry, but it was like that caramel color leather, really nice. It was $35. This Hello Fall sign was $20. So like I said, in conjunction with some of the coupons that they send you, like I think you get like 15% off or something of that nature. Um, they send those to you. This sign it says welcome fall, and it was $25. And I think something like that, because you're going to get good quality at Kirkland's most of the time. So $25 for something like that, I think would be nice to go into like an entryway table or something like that. And then I just turned that over. Oh, that was a nice little centerpiece thing too. That pumpkin there was cute for 20 bucks. And I really liked, some of the things were up kind of high and I didn't want to really miss one. I was too scared. But this lantern with the fall foliage was $60. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna go back here because that one didn't have the price on it. That's what it was. So it was $65. Let's see, stuff like that is a little pricey when you could probably go get you a wooden box at Hobby Lobby and get you some pixies and put it in with some faux candles. You know what I mean? That was $80. And so I think some of these things you can actually do on your own and it won't cost you nearly that much, probably not even half, with all of the discount stores that we have. And I thought that pillow was cute too. It says pumpkin patch. It's a lumbar pillow for your sofa. So stinking cute. I love the colors. And I believe that one was $40. Yeah. But Kirkland's, you kind of get sucked in. It's so beautiful the way they have everything kind of set up and everything, they put everything in a nice decorative state, if you will, that makes you kind of like, oh my God, you just feel so cozy going in there. It's crazy that they have all these different things, but you still have a cozy vibe. And then see, like I said, pay attention to those sale items. So this utensil canister for $10 with your initials on it with the buffalo check was really cute. And then I always always go over to the clearance section because you just never know what you're gonna find there. And then I think the table tapestries were $30. This bowl was pretty heavy too for 40 bucks. I thought it would make a nice fruit bowl or something if you wanted to put that in kitchen, you know, like maybe have a whole bowl of lemons. I ended up getting this what is it called? Mortar and pestle. I can't remember the name of it. Mortar set. And I think I'm going to use that in my kitchen, my new kitchen. If you guys don't know, my husband Earl and I were on a new construction home journey. So it'd be great if you guys could follow that playlist and kind of follow along and see, you know, where we're going with this whole thing. It's been an adventure for sure. So don't forget, like I said, go ahead and subscribe and comment, like, share, and hit the notification bell too so that you're notified when I put up a video. I am going to start doing more of these shopping videos, especially during the holiday season. And also I'll be doing them because I'm also needing furniture and decor for my new home. So yeah. Here are a lot of holiday wreaths. Now this is kind of where I found maybe some of their stuff is just, you know, a little costly when it comes to their foliage, but I know that this stuff is done really, really well. This is kind of, well, these are on sale, which is good because remember, I don't know if you guys have seen my last video on at Hobby Lobby, but they had, their foliage wasn't even as nice as that garland was, and they were like trying to charge an arm and a leg for it for some of those things. So $35 is pretty good. But look, just wreaths as far as the eye can see that are really, really nice. So they have something for everyone, I think. $45 for that wreath. So I feel like some of these things, you know, they can be investments, so to speak. They had all different types of candles there, in different sizes, different scents and stuff like that. So if you haven't gone to Kirkland's, I would suggest you do. I mean, like I said, some of the things are kind of expensive, but then like over here in the portrait area, the pictures for your wall, everything was 50% off. Now, I don't know what that's going to be like on Friday because to me, they didn't have such a great selection. You know, they do a lot of that, I don't know, some things are kind of farmhouse. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. All right, guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay, guys, thank you again. Bye.